Hello friends, welcome. In this video I'm going to work with the destroy method. We are going to delete posts. For that I'm going to add a button here. So let's open the VS Code and inside the index. Here we display the post card. So inside the post card we have the edit. Now after the edit I'm going to add, we can add a delete button here as well, but I'm going to add it right here. It's more useful for me, I think. Just we can click here and delete the post. So for that I'm going to add a form first, form with a method to be post. Now the action is going to be route post.destroy. We need to add the post ID here, $post ID. And I'm going to say on submit. Okay. I'm going to say return. Confirm. Are you sure? Okay. Now let's close the form, and inside the form I'm going to add the CSRF token, so the protection. Also I'm going to say method and change now the method to be delete. Okay, next one I'm going to add a button, type submit, and here we can say delete. Let's save it, come here and refresh, and yeah, we can see the delete button here. But this is not looking very nice. First I'm going to, in parent div, I'm going to say flex here and space x2. Okay, let's remove this or leave it as no problem. Now if I save and come here and refresh, yeah, we have it something like this. Let's add in the button some classes. So I'm going to say text to be red 400, and on hover is going to be text red 600. Okay, refresh, and yeah. Now when we click here, we have the are you sure, click OK, but we don't have the in the controller. So if I open the controller, in the destroy method we don't have the logic. So you can see here we have the public function destroy, and this destroy method is the method we need for our delete method. So if I say PHP artisan route list, we can see now in the post destroy, the method is delete, the action, we need a post here, and the method inside the controller is the destroy method. Okay, so here we have the ID, and I'm going to do the same thing we have done with update and edit. So instead of ID, we can say post and $post. So we inject the post model. And here just I'm going to say $post and call the delete method. And with that, we are going to delete the post. And after that, I'm going to return back because we are inside the index. So we just click here. We are going to confirm. And if we delete, I'm going to return back. So let's say down there, return back. And of course, I'm going to say a message. So the post deleted successfully. Let's come here and refresh. And let's delete this my new post. Are you sure? Click OK. Now the post deleted successfully and we don't see now that post. Let's delete also this one. OK. Delete this one. OK. Delete this one. And delete this one. And so on. OK. This is how easy it delete the model. So we just get the model and say post delete, and I'm going to return. That's it for this video, friends. Hope you enjoy and see you in the next one. All the best.